Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eye look right here, so if you'd like to learn how I created this look, then just keep on watching. The first color I'm picking up is the color Wanderlust, and this is going to be my crease and transition color. So I'm just popping this in my lid using a BH number 8 brush. I'm just using windshield wiper motions in my lid from the bottom of my brow bone all the way to the tail of my brow. Next, with my finger, I'm picking up the shade Palma. I am just going to slowly start to place this on the center and inner corner of my lid. I found that with this shade, it just works a lot better if you use your finger for application rather than a brush. Now with a small packing brush, I am picking up a tiny amount of Finders Keepers, and I'm just pressing this along my outer corner and slowly pressing it into that blue shade Palma. Notice that I'm pressing rather than blending right away. This shade is very pigmented and I want to make sure it sticks in place. Now with a BH Cosmetics number 6 brush, I dipped back into the color Wanderlust, which is in our crease. I'm kind of going back over where the crease and the colors meet. This look is going to look pretty crazy until we get the majority of our blending done. So I'm just blending back and forth, and since, you know, this isn't a cut crease, I'm just really trying to diffuse the look. I am just going back in with a little bit more of that blue shade right in the center on my finger again. To start to pull things together, I'm going to move into my lower lash line with that crease color Wanderlust. I'm just going to smoke this out pretty low because we're going to be putting that black shade on top of it. Try not to worry too much about the fallout situation because we're going to go in with our concealer and really touch up everything at the very end. With the BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, I am going back under my eye with Finders Keepers, that black multi-shimmer. And I'm just kind of stamping this as close as I possibly can to my lower lash line. I'm just taking a smaller blending brush and kind of going back and forth my lower lash line and then up into that outer corner again to really blend it together. Now with a small pencil brush, I'm going in with the color Poquito Mas right into my inner corner. And I'm using that to tie my lower lash line and the inner corner kind of together. Because this is a dramatic look, I'm going to go dramatic with the inner corner as well. Just give it that really nice bright pop. I'm going to pop some of that up onto my brow bone for a highlight as well. Taking my Tarteist liner, I'm just going to draw a line on the top of the eye. And with the other end of the liner, the cream part, I'm going to go right into my waterline. And I'm also going to take this right into the top of my lower lash line. This is just going to help deepen the smoke on our lower lash line. You can be messy with it because we're going to go in and blend it out with a shadow as well. Taking my BH Cosmetics number 11 brush, I am just going to go back in with Finders Keepers, our black shimmer color, and I'm just kind of pressing that up and into the liner that we just added. Now I'm going to give myself a coat of mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. For lashes today, I am wearing the Hollywood Lash by Lilly Lashes. I'm just going in with a makeup wipe to clean up any fallout that I had, and then I'm going to go ahead and do concealer and the rest of my face. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to support me by subscribing to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!